Your AC doesn't just make cold air. It has to dump heat outside the car. The AC condenser sits in the front of the vehicle, usually right behind the grille, and it gets hot when the AC is on. The condenser fan pulls air through it, especially when you're stopped or moving slowly. If that fan is weak or dead, the condenser can't cool properly, system pressures go up, and your cabin air stops feeling cold. Sign 1. AC is cold while driving, but warm at idle. This is the classic condenser fan symptom. On the highway, air naturally rushes through the condenser, so the AC works. At a stoplight, airflow depends on the fan. If the fan isn't spinning or isn't spinning fast enough, the AC gets noticeably warmer after a minute or two of sitting still. If you notice cold on the move, warm it stops, the condenser fan is one of the first things I check. Sign 2. The AC blows cold, then suddenly stops cooling. A failing fan can cause high pressure in the AC system. Many cars protect the system by shutting the compressor off when pressures get too high. To you, it feels like the AC is playing games. It works for a bit, then it goes warm, then maybe it comes back later. This cycling can also happen if the fan motor is overheating and cutting out, then restarting after it cools down. Sign 3. Engine temperature creeps up when AC is on. On many cars, the radiator and AC condenser share airflow at the front. If the fan isn't doing its job, not only does the AC struggle, but the engine cooling system can struggle too, especially in traffic. You might see the temp gauge climb higher than normal when the AC is running, then settle down when you turn the AC off. If your car runs warm only with the AC on, don't ignore it. Overheating costs real money. Sign 4. You don't hear or see the fan running when the AC is on. On most vehicles, when the AC is commanded on, the condenser fan should run pretty quickly, especially at idle. If you pop the hood carefully and you never see the fan spinning, that's a strong sign. Sometimes the fan runs, but slowly or inconsistently. A weak fan can still cause poor cooling because it can't move enough air through the condenser. Sign 5. Burning smell, noisy fan, or a fan that wobbles. A fan motor that's failing can make a hot electrical smell, especially if it's drawing too much current. You might also hear grinding, squealing, or rattling. If the fan blades are cracked or the fan is wobbling, it can hit the shroud and sound like something is coming apart under the hood. Any wobble is a big deal because if the fan explodes or breaks blades, it can damage the radiator or condenser. What usually causes condenser fan failure? The fan itself can wear out, but it's not always the motor. A blown fuse, bad relay, corroded connector, damaged wiring, or a bad fan control module can stop the fan. On some cars, the radiator fan and condenser fan are the same unit, so any control issue affects both cooling systems. How a mechanic confirms the problem fast. We usually verify the symptom first. AC on, car idling, see if the fan runs. Then we check fuses and relays, look for obvious wiring damage, and see if the fan is getting power and ground. If power and ground are present and the fan doesn't spin, the motor is done. If power is missing, the problem is upstream, relay, module, wiring, or a sensor input telling the car not to run the fan.